Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your banner on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, please scroll down, hit that subscribe button, and leave a like. Now let's dive right into it. First, go up to your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on your channel, and then select Customize Channel. Next, click on Branding. Here you can also change your profile picture. But for this video, we're going to focus on changing the banner image for your YouTube account. I've already created a banner in Canva that we will use for this video, so you don't need to watch that part. Just download the image. Now, find the image you just downloaded. It's time to upload it. Click on Upload, select your banner image, and then click Open. This is a preview of how it's going to look. Once you're satisfied, click Done, and then hit Publish in the top right corner. If you want to see how it looks on your channel, click on your profile picture, go to your channel, and there you have it. This is how the banner looks on your channel. If you found this video useful, please scroll down and leave a like. Thank you for watching.